This is Claude doing something 99% of people have never seen. I found 6 of them. Almost everyone uses Claude for one thing, asking questions. These 6 turn it into your coder, your designer, your whole team. Number 6 runs my business while I sleep. Let me prove it. Number 1, chat. This is the part you already use. You open Claude, you ask a question, it answers. This is the one part almost everyone sticks to. They ask, they read, they close the tab. Nothing's wrong with that. Chat should be your home base for a quick answer, a message you need written, or a problem you're stuck on. But it's only one part. There are 5 more, and number 2 is the one I wish I'd found sooner. Number 2, projects. A project is a folder inside Claude for one thing you care about, your side hustle, your job search, your class. You drop your notes and files in there, and Claude remembers all of it. So you don't start from zero every chat. Open the project a week later, and Claude already knows the whole story. You don't have to re-explain everything. It's like a desk left exactly how you had it, every note still in place. Most beginners never set one up, but it changes everything. Now, number 3 is where Claude steps off the screen. Number 3, Claude Cowork. Up to now, Claude lived in a chat window. Cowork is different. It's an app on your computer, and it works with your real files on your computer. Point it at a local folder and say, turn all these receipts into one expense sheet. And it changes the real files on your machine, not a copy. You give it one job, and you watch it get done right there on your files. It's like an assistant sitting at your computer who already knows where everything lives. Number 4 does the same kind of work, but bigger, and it scared me at first. Number 4, Claude Code. The name sounds scary, but don't let it fool you. Here's the difference from Cowork. Cowork does one task while you're watching. Code can take a whole goal and run every step on its own. Yes, it can also be used to build apps, but it's the biggest item here, and most of what I use it for isn't coding at all. I hand it a big goal, my marketing, my whole website, even getting found on Google. Claude Code makes the plan, does every step, and fixes its own mistakes along the way. Claude Cowork is a helper to help you with tasks. Claude Code is the operator that runs your project for you. If you can describe the job, Claude Code can get it done. Quick favor before the last 2, and number 6 is the one I use every day. Hit subscribe, it helps more than you think. So that's 4 parts already working for you. These last 2 are upgrades, and they make all 4 stronger. Number 5, skills. This is the most useful one. A skill teaches Claude how you like a job done. You write the steps down once, your way, and save it. From then on, Claude follows your steps every time the job comes up. Say you post on social media in your brand voice. Make a skill for it once, and Claude matches your voice every time, no need to remind it. Teach Claude once, keep it forever. And number 6 takes these skills and aims them at the rest of your apps. Number 6, connectors. This is the one tying everything together. A connector links Claude to an app you use, like your email, your calendar, your social media. Once it's linked, Claude doesn't only talk about your apps, it can work inside them. Here's the one running my whole brand, approaching 3 million followers. I link Claude Code to my tool Blotato, which posts to social media. Watch, I type one line, write a post about this video, and schedule it for tomorrow morning. Done. Claude writes the post, opens Blotato, and schedules it across all my accounts. I never opened an app, no copy, no paste, no logins, just one sentence within Claude, and my posting is done for the day. This is the whole point of all 6. You stop doing the boring, tedious work. Just tell Claude, and Claude will do it the way you want. So there you go, 6 parts of Claude, and most people only use the first one. Chat to get answers, projects to keep one goal in one place, Cowork to do one task on your files, Claude Code to run a whole project for you, skills to teach Claude your way of doing things, and connectors to let Claude run your other apps. Now, you don't need all 6 today, but you know they exist now, and you're already ahead of almost everyone using Claude. Pick the one you need most and go try it. I'm doing a full walkthrough of each one. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you there.